What if your rules have become a trap? 2025 is here. The game already changed. This isn't motivation. It's survival. Harsh truths no one will say out loud. Truths that hurt but force you awake. Still think you're ready. What you ignore today becomes your life tomorrow. Miss this, and you're already behind. But listen close, and you might touch the sky. No sugarcoating, no lies, only what you need to hear. Time's up. Your next move changes everything. Stop watering dead plants. 2025 is your year to grow forests, not graveyards. If it costs your peace, it's too expensive. Walk away. Your energy is currency. Stop letting broke souls withdraw from your account. Loneliness is the tax you pay for refusing to settle for half-love. Not everyone deserves a front-row seat to your life. Sell tickets selectively. Stop apologizing for outgrowing people who stunted your roots. You can't heal in the same environment that broke you. Change the soil. Stop rearranging your boundaries to fit someone else's chaos. Your silence is louder than the noise of their excuses. Never beg someone to see your worth. Invisibility is their flaw, not yours. A closed door is a blessing. Stop knocking. Build your own house. Stop being the maybe in someone's life. Be your own hell yes. You don't lose people, you lose illusions of who they pretended to be. If they wanted to, they would. Stop writing chapters for characters who quit. Stop shrinking to fit spaces that bruise your soul. Expand instead. Your time is non-refundable. Stop donating it to time wasters. You're not responsible for fixing people who enjoy being broken. Stop letting temporary feelings make permanent decisions. Your growth will offend people who prefer you stunted. Let them choke. Stop explaining your no. No is a complete sentence. Stop romanticizing potential. Love what's real, not what could be. If they don't respect your boundaries, they don't respect you. Your absence teaches them what your presence never could. Stop treating red flags as confetti. Not every storm is a celebration. Stop letting guilt manipulate you into staying where you don't belong. Your worth isn't a debate. Stop letting insecure people host the conversation. Stop holding on to people who treat you like a sometimes person. You can't pour from an empty cup. Guard your energy like it's gold. Stop letting yesterday's pain write tomorrow's story. Your life isn't a democracy. Stop letting others vote on your choices. Stop mistaking attachment for loyalty. Loyalty doesn't hurt. Stop chasing people who belong in your past. Your future is calling. Your progress is not a group project. Work in silence. Let success roar. Stop letting fear of loneliness keep you in toxic rooms. Alone is safe. Stop waiting for apologies. Forgive them silently and outgrow them loudly. Your heart isn't a rehab center for emotionally broken people. Stop letting people who can't fix themselves try to fix you. Stop shrinking your dreams to fit someone else's comfort zone. Your standards are not negotiable. Lowering them is self-betrayal. Stop letting temporary people make permanent marks on your soul. Stop confusing history with destiny. Just because it's familiar doesn't mean it's right. Stop letting guilt keep you in cages others built for you. Your boundaries are not walls. They're bridges to self-respect. Stop letting people treat you like a maybe while you treat them like a must. Stop letting the wrong people define your worth. You're priceless. Stop giving discounts to people who undervalue your soul. Stop letting yesterday's storms ruin today's sunshine. Your silence isn't weakness. It's strength saving itself for better battles. Stop letting people rent space in your head without paying rent. Stop letting your kindness become a weapon for others to misuse. Stop carrying baggage that isn't yours. Travel light. Stop letting people who can't love themselves teach you how to love. Your peace is not collateral damage for someone else's chaos. Stop letting fear of being misunderstood silence your truth. Stop trying to fix people who enjoy their brokenness. Your growth is not a threat. It's a lesson for those who choose to learn. Stop letting temporary emotions override permanent goals. Stop letting people who left define who you become. Your time is too valuable to waste on people who don't value theirs. Stop letting society's clock rush your season. Bloom when ready. Stop letting guilt keep you in chapters you've already read. Your energy is sacred. Stop letting vampires drain it. Stop letting what if paralyze you. What is waiting. Stop letting people who can't handle your light dim your shine. Stop letting the past hijack your present. Drive forward. Your mistakes are not life sentences. They're lessons in disguise. Stop letting opinions of strangers outvote your own intuition. Stop letting comfort zones become graveyards for dreams. Your heart isn't a hotel for people who check out when storms hit. Stop letting people who can't commit keep you on standby. Stop letting fear of failure park you in the garage of life. Your worth isn't a negotiation. Stop bargaining with yourself. Stop letting temporary setbacks erase permanent progress. Your life is not a rehearsal. Stop acting for someone else's audience. Stop letting people who don't know themselves define you. Stop letting apologies you'll never get keep you chained to pain. Your boundaries are love letters to yourself. Write them fiercely. Stop letting maybe waste your now. Clarity is kindness. Stop letting the noise of others drown out your inner voice. Your soul isn't a trash can for someone else's unresolved trauma. Stop letting people who can't evolve hold you hostage to their stagnation. Stop letting rejection convince you you're not enough. Redirect. Don't crumble. Your scars are proof you survived battles, not invitations to relive them. Stop letting guilt over what was blind you to what could be. Stop letting temporary people become permanent distractions. Your future self is begging you to stop pleasing yesterday's ghosts. Stop letting fear of being alone keep you in crowds that drain you. Your resilience is not an invitation for others to test it. Stop letting people who can't commit keep you in their waiting room. Stop letting the world's chaos drown out your inner calm. Stop letting someday steal your today. Later is a liar. Your growth will trigger some. Let them. Keep growing. Stop letting people who can't love you teach you how to love. Stop letting yesterday's storms cloud today's possibilities. Your boundaries aren't cruel. They're self-respect in action. Stop letting fear of judgment silence your authenticity. Stop letting temporary emotions override permanent goals. Your life is your art. Stop letting others paint on your canvas. Stop letting people who don't value you devalue your journey. Stop waiting for permission to live. The gatekeeper is you.